Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about the Lenovo's Infinity O display smartphone. And I'm also going to discuss the Huawei's Infinity O display smartphone. I have talked about it in my recent video, but in this video, I'm going to tell you the name of the device and some details about the device. So let's get right into the video. The desire to get rid of the display notch has been of prime importance for manufacturers lately, while manufacturers such as Oppo and Vivo went ahead with motorized camera pop-up mechanisms in order to attain a truly full-screen display. But these implementations raised concerns regarding durability. Even the manual slider arrangement by Xiaomi and Huawei in the Mi Mix 3 and Honor Magic 2 doesn't come across as a most sensible solution. Whereas Samsung chose a different path, the path of camera cutout implementation, in which a hole is drilled in the screen for camera. This simply is Infinity O. By the way, some manufacturers have even started working on these kind of displays, like Huawei and Samsung. And the Huawei's Infinity O display smartphone is a successor to Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i, and will be called Nova 4. Furthermore, it is expected to be the first ever phone to get shipped with a hole in the screen. From the front, it is quite similar to the Samsung's A8s. Samsung's A8s will supposedly launch by the end of this year. Nova 4's renders have been made by Venya Gasing. Sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. The renders show Infinity O display that goes nearly edge to edge except the bottom. There is a triple rear camera setup just like we see in the P20 Pro, but we don't know if the specifications will match or not. But if we take a look at the paint job, it is quite similar and looks to be inspired by the P20 Pro. Also, there is no fingerprint scanner on the front or the back, so this means we will see an in-display fingerprint scanner with the Infinity O display. According to Phone World, the Nova 4 will feature a 3.5mm headphone jack with USB Type-C. Other specs include Kirin 980, 6GB of RAM, and Android Pie with EMUI 9.0 out of the box. Most other sources suggest the release date to be in December. Chances are that both the Huawei Nova 4 and Samsung A8s will feature BOE made LCDs, which explains the similarity in designs and the positioning of the hole. Huawei even live streamed a demo of the prototype device in Jackson Yee's birthday, but they were very careful not to show the back during that stream. Now let's get back to the mysterious Infinity O display smartphone by Lenovo, rumored to be the most anticipated Lenovo Z5S. This is not the first phone with camera cutout, but the position of the camera matters. And in this case, it is in the center. Whereas both the Huawei and Samsung seems to have settled to punch the hole in the corner of the display. The official teaser for the Lenovo Z5S promises December unveiling. It has a 6.3-inch screen and will maybe be powered by Snapdragon 8150 or Snapdragon 675. There is no solid info on this matter. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, like this video, share this video, and comment down your questions in the comment section below. I will surely try to answer it, and I'll see you in my next video. But for now, let's call it a day.